Today I am reviewing Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that combines versatility, power, and efficiency, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven is one of the best all-in-one cooking solutions available. Designed to do more than just air fry, this powerhouse offers 10 distinct cooking functions, including air fry, air roast, broil, bake, whole roast, pizza, toast, bagel, and reheat. That means whether you want to bake cookies, roast a chicken, or crisp up vegetables with little to no oil, this Ninja appliance has you covered. One of the most impressive features of the Prestige Smart XL is its Smart Surround Convection technology. This uses a high-velocity fan combined with a rear heat source to completely surround your food for even cooking, producing a perfectly crisp finish every time. Unlike traditional ovens, this system ensures no flipping, rotating, or shaking is needed, which saves both time and effort. Speaking of efficiency, this oven boasts an extra-large capacity that makes it perfect for families or anyone who entertains often. With space for up to two 9x9 baking trays, it can bake up to 20 cookies at once. You can also toast up to 9 slices of bread or bagel halves, or cook up to a 12-pound turkey. For air frying, the oven fits up to 8 pounds of food. This is truly an oven designed to handle large meals and busy kitchens. Another huge time saver is the 90-second preheat time, which is up to 30% faster than many full-size convection ovens. This means no more waiting around for the oven to warm up, allowing you to get meals on the table faster, something every busy home cook will appreciate. Ninja has also designed this oven to be incredibly easy to use. The digital display is intuitive, and the handle illuminates the optimal oven rack positions depending on your selected function. When the door is open, the display freezes to prevent accidental changes. This attention to detail makes cooking more seamless and stress-free. For those who want healthier cooking without sacrificing taste, the air fry function is a standout feature. Ninja claims up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, and real-world testing confirms that the results are crispy and delicious without drowning in oil. Whether it's French fries, chicken wings, or vegetables, this oven delivers consistent, golden results. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL is built to be not just functional but stylish too. Its stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits beautifully on any countertop. It's designed to be both a statement piece and a practical workhorse for your kitchen. Cleaning is also simplified. The included removable crumb tray, air fry basket, sheet pans, and racks are all easy to clean, and many parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. With 1,800 watts of power and a wide temperature range, this oven doesn't just replace your air fryer and toaster oven. It replaces the need for multiple appliances. It's a one-stop solution for almost every cooking need, whether it's baking, roasting, broiling, or air frying large meals. In conclusion, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Toaster Oven is a versatile, powerful, and smart cooking solution for any kitchen. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, and anyone who loves cooking without compromise. With its spacious capacity, smart cooking features, and healthy cooking options, it delivers convenience, efficiency, and quality. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, this Ninja appliance is a smart choice.